Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions by comparing the coolest gadgets. Today, we're diving into the sky-high world of drones. On the left, we've got the Holy Stone HS440, and on the right, the Istone 5. Buckle up, because this is going to be a high-flying, action-packed comparison. The Holy Stone HS440 will set you back $129. Not too bad, right? But wait, the Istone 5 swoops in at a slightly cheaper $119. That's $10 saved. Think of all the snacks you could buy with that extra cash while you're out droning around. The Holy Stone HS440 boasts a 1080p HD camera with a 90-degree adjustable lens. It's like having your own personal eagle. Meanwhile, the Istone SN5 also offers a 1080p HD lens with the same adjustability. But the Istone comes with an app that makes it super easy to share your incredible shots on social media. So if you're the type who likes to make your followers jealous, the Istone's got your back. Reviewers of the HS440 appreciate its decent camera quality for the price range, despite some choppiness in streaming. On the other hand, many reviewers of the Istone 5 found its camera quality disappointing, with jerky video playback and poor picture quality in both daylight and nighttime conditions. The Holy Stone HS440 gives you a respectable 20 minutes of airtime. Not bad for a quick spin around the block, but the Istone 5 literally flies circles around it with up to 30 minutes of flight time, thanks to its 2 rechargeable batteries. That's a whole extra episode of your favorite show. Heck, it's a whole season if you're watching those 3-minute TikTok dramas. Reviewers of the HS440 are generally pleased with the battery life, while reviewers of the Istone 5 appreciate the extended flight time, but often mention issues with losing connection or control, leading to lost drones. The Holy Stone HS440 is packed with beginner-friendly features like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. Plus, it has one key high-speed rotation, so if you want to impress your friends with some sweet aerial tricks, this drone's got you covered. Reviewers have praised its ease of use and durability, even after multiple crashes. But wait, the Istone 5 isn't lagging behind. It also has headless mode, one key start, landing, and altitude hold. Plus, it adds hand gesture photos/video, so you can snap selfies like a Jedi. And those brushless motors? They make for a quieter, more powerful flight experience. However, many reviewers have reported issues with the drone losing connection and flying away, which could be a major downside. Both the Holy Stone HS440 and the Istone 5 are foldable and come with a carrying case. But the Istone 5 claims you can fit it in your pocket. I'm not sure what kind of pockets these people have, but hey, sounds convenient. Reviewers of the HS440 have noted its durable carrying case with compartments for all accessories, while reviewers of the Istone 5 appreciate its portability but have faced issues with finding replacement batteries. Overall, the Holy Stone HS440 has received positive reviews for its ease of use, durability, and decent camera quality, making it a solid choice for beginners. On the other hand, the Istone 5, while offering more advanced features and longer flight time, has faced criticism for its poor camera quality and issues with connectivity and durability. That's it for today's epic drone showdown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another Buy Smart comparison. Leave a comment below to let us know which drone you prefer and why. And don't forget to check out the product links in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.